What is up? Welcome back to another video. Happy New Year to you all. I hope everybody had a good Christmas and holiday season, and I hope everything is going well for you in the new year so far. So in today's video, I am trying out these silk wraps I just picked up from my local Sally's, and I wanted to see how this would work with Polygel. So I knew I wasn't going to do long nails, so I just said, well, let me just try them and do some short nails and see how this works. So here I'm just showing you how they come. They come on the strip. It's different sizes. So what you have to do is you just size it out to your nail. And because the reason I decided to try these was because I'm looking for something to protect my natural nail a little bit more. And after looking online at a few other videos and stuff, I saw these and I was like, well, let me try this and see if this works. So what you saw me doing was just sizing it out to my finger. And oh yeah, I made a mistake there, sorry. But so what I did was just sized it out to my finger, and I didn't do it to where it covers the whole nail. Normally you would with the silk wraps, but I was only concerned mainly with that nail bed part, so I wasn't really too concerned with getting it on the whole thing. So when I do it, I use it and I put a little bit on. I put my base coat on, and then I put the silk over the base coat, and then what I do is cut the silk and just put another piece on top just to have that extra protection. So I did 2 pieces of silk on each nail. And yeah, so you just see me now. I'm going to go in with the silk. It wasn't difficult to do. It's a lot. I feel like it's a lot of extra work. Not extra work, because I guess if you're using tips or forms, it's kind of the same thing. But this, like I said, I'm just doing it to protect my nails, so that's what I'm doing it for. So yeah, I just use my scissor and you just cut the silk. It's really soft. It's not like the fiberglass, so it's really easy to cut. You'll see me struggle here because my scissors were crap, but that's not the silk's problem, that's my scissor. So that's just the issue I was having. So what I do is just press the silk down into the base coat, and then here you see me going in with another piece, and I just do that and press it down, and then I go over the top of that with some more base coat, and then I cured it for about 30 seconds in my lamp, and then you'll see me going with the polygel afterwards. And the polygel application is just like normal polygel application after that, so it's really the same thing. The only thing, one other thing is different is I use the edge part of the silk to kind of form the tip of the nail, but because I'm doing short nails, it wasn't a big deal because the silk is really soft, and that was another reason I went all the way to the tip with the base coat, so that the polygel will kind of have something to sit on, if that makes sense. So you'll see me doing all of that in the video. I just kind of wanted to give you guys like the idea of, you know, what I was doing, what I was going for. So this is my first time doing this, so I struggled a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but in the end I think they came out pretty good. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video. I know it's kind of a long one, but it was, you know, there's a few steps involved. So I'm just gonna let you guys keep watching, and don't forget to go follow me on Instagram, and also my giveaway is still going on, still trying to get to them 500 subscribers, y'all. So I'm going to link that video as always in the cards above, and then it'll be in the description box below. And thank you guys so much for watching and your continued support. I appreciate all of you. And again, Happy New Year, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.